Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account. Make sure two-step verification is set if you prefer added security. Once signed in, install Google Drive for desktop or Open Drive. Google, com and sign in there. Next, pick between Stream versus Mirror. Stream saves local space, Mirror keeps files offline. Make sure to select the folders you want synced now so uploads and downloads begin immediately and you avoid duplicating data. Once done with the basic setup, open Drive for desktop preferences and configure sync behavior. You can limit upload/download bandwidth to avoid network congestion. Then map local folders into My Drive or shared drives so files appear in the cloud where you expect them. Also, make sure to set offline access for specific folders if you need them without internet. These steps control storage use and sync timing, so take a moment to align them with how you work. You finish by checking the Drive icon and activity panel to confirm uploads completed successfully. Look for green check marks or syncing arrows. If there's a conflict, decide which version to keep and use the activity history to review changes. If sync errors continue, sign out, quit Drive for desktop, restart your laptop, then sign in again. Clearing the app cache often fixes stubborn issues. Finally, make sure local free space and internet are adequate to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.